over the world, animals are trapped in places they don't belong. In circuses. In labs. On concrete floors under fluorescent lights. They weren't born to entertain us. To be tested on. To be sold, beaten, or bred for profit. But there are people. Ordinary people. Who choose to fight for them. This is Mufasa. For years, he was chained to the back of a pickup truck. A prisoner of a traveling circus in Peru. His cage was barely big enough to turn around. He performed tricks, while his spirit slowly faded. But one day, rescuers arrived. They cut the chains. They opened the door. And for the first time in years, Mufasa stepped onto grass. He sniffed the air. He rolled in the dirt. And finally, he remembered what it meant to be wild. For some, freedom is a memory. For others, it's something they've never known at all. Behind closed doors, behind steel bars, they wait. Chained, confined, silenced. But then, one moment changes everything. Watch the moment animals taste freedom for the first time. Because freedom should never be a privilege. It should be a right. They were never meant to live in chains. And thanks to people like you, they don't have to. They were born to be wild, to be loved, to be free. Watch, share, act. Let's set them free together. Subscribe for more true rescue stories.